Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Okay, so I got it. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my human hair wig. Okay, so this hair I got it from Lumina Beauty Store. Okay, so for the packaging, this is actually how it looks like. Okay, inside the package. So inside the package we have this one here, and which I also shared the opening in my vlog, so I'll put the link here. The vlog that I showed you guys, this hair, I'm gonna put it here. I think it was in my last vlog. Okay, so inside we have the Lumina Beauty hair store. Okay, so this is the instructions, like their card. So this is the instruction of washing it if you care to wash it before using it. Okay, or even if you are using it and after you decide to wash it. Okay, so this is how the instruction of washing it looks like. Okay, so here is their phone number and all of that. So over here we have the wig cap. You get a wig cap. Okay, so this is their wig cap, and yeah, so you just wear it. It's a lace wig, it's a frontal lace wig, something like that. So this one is the kind of the band. This is the band whereby you lay down your baby hair. I'm not a fan of laying down my baby hair. My baby hair, it always, it's natural to me. Like when in my spirit decide, that's when I lay down my baby hair. So if my spirit didn't decide, I'm not gonna lay any baby hair. Okay, so this is kind of laying down your baby hair, then you use it to wrap it for it to dry so that it won't be flipping up and down. So that is it. So the next thing again inside the this thing is nothing again. This is the card, the paper they put inside the wig, and this, the other black one, is the one you use in covering the wig. Okay, so I'm gonna keep these things here. So the next one again is the wig itself. So in today's video I want to share with you guys, or show you guys, how you can brush your wig. Okay, so this wig right here is very, very beautiful, because I'm somebody who don't like wearing wig, okay, without washing it. So yesterday I went ahead to wash the wig. So after washing it, so this is how it's kind of looking like. Okay, amazing thing about this wig was that when I was washing it, it didn't fall down, like there is no pieces out. It didn't fall down, like there is no drop. Okay, so I just washed it, and you guys can see it's still like very straight. It didn't tangle. Like you guys know that woman hair doesn't tangle. Okay, it didn't tangle. So that was amazing thing about this hair. So this is basically how the inside looks like. Okay, so in today's video, like I said earlier, I want to share with you guys how to brush your hair. So if you want to brush the hair, this is basically what you need. You need this comb. Okay, you can go as far as with one comb and all of that, but you don't need with one comb. Okay, so you need this bold mouth so that it won't use force on the hair. You guys can see how soft I'm brushing it and is complying it. So I know that I don't have this mani cream, something like that. I threw my own away, but I'll get that again. Okay, so I just kind of do it this way. So this is how you go about doing it. Okay, so once you are done, then you make sure that the pattern, if it has pattern, like this one has center pattern, so I'm being careful with the pattern so that I don't end up like closing the pattern. And you guys can see the last week I've not used it. I just wash it hoping that I'll fix it, but as of now I don't know when I'm gonna fix it. So I want to brush it. That's why I'm making this video, to show you guys how to give your human hair get it brushed. So you do it softly, kindly, okay, not with force, because if it doesn't tangle, it don't need force. So with this kind of comb, is easy going, okay, so it doesn't fall and all of that. You guys see how smooth, beautiful the hair is looking like so far. So once you are done with this, the next thing you go ahead again is to get your mouse. But there is also hair oil for human hair, okay, so it depends on where you get it. But as for now, I don't have the oil, so I'm using my mouse. So this my mouse is from Guinea, okay, so I really like this mouse so much because it's easy going and very nice, and it does its job so well. So that's basically why I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna put it on in my hand. So when you are putting it in your hand, this is how it's kind of looking like, okay. The next thing is to do it this way and begin to apply it all over the, you know, the wig. So this right here will make the wig to, you know, relax and not to, you know, not to scatter, to stay in one place, okay. So I'm gonna apply the same thing this side. So if the wig is scattering, like it's not staying one place, this is what you just have to do it. So like it's not compulsory. If you have the oil, then you don't need the mouse. But if you don't have the oil like me, then you go with mouse. So mouse is another option that you can use, that you can actually use to get your wig going, okay. So the next thing you need to do after applying, that you make sure that everything is basically in order. Then you go back again with your comb and begin to brush it down this way. Now you can see that the wig is in a good position, and mostly the pattern, okay. I'm much interested in the pattern areas because it's very, very important. So you make sure that the wig does not, like, it does not tangle, okay. You separate it small, step by step, gradually. This is how you go about doing it until you will be able to do it very, very well. Use the comb to section it, okay. If the pattern is, you know, closing, you would separate it, make sure that it isn't closing. So this is how it's looking like so far. As you guys can see, you will see that it's now good. It's very, very nice now. So you use your hand to smoothen it to make it look good, okay. You see, very nice and soft, very clean and, you know, beautiful. So this is how the back is looking like, and this is how the other side is also looking like right here. So this is how you go ahead to do your, you know, to do your wig. So if you eventually, or if you finally fix it on your head, then you can now go as far as to use your hot comb. Let me show you guys what is hot comb, okay. If you finally, like, as I just get it brushed now, I don't need to brush it again if I'm applying it now. So the next thing you have to do is to go in with your hot comb, okay. So with this hot comb, you just have to plug it in and make sure that the hot comb is in number 1 or number 2, because once it's number 3, guys, like, it's gonna burn the hair, because number 3 is the highest. So the lowest, the better, okay. So I would suggest you put it in number 2 or number 1, but don't put it in number 3 because it's gonna, you know, like, burn the hair. It's gonna burn the hair, or better still put it in number 1, okay. So you put this one and begin to, I will also show you guys the day that I will fix it, okay. So I will show you guys how I do that and all of that. Then if when I want to do it and I just feel like, okay, it's scattered, I want to, you know, adjust it, then I can go ahead and spray spray water all over and use my hand to smoothen it. You guys know that human hair doesn't require you much. It's just basically a little amount. If you have the oil, then you are good to go. Okay, so that's basically all you do just to achieve, brush your hair and keep it in easy going. So this is how you do it. You guys can see everything is very, very fine, and boom, you are good to go. Okay, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.